In 1 minute, they were all eaten. Grease the baking tray with vegetable oil. Slice the peeled potatoes into thin slices and put them in a bowl. Season with salt, black pepper, sweet paprika, vegetable oil. Mix the potatoes. Place a layer of potatoes in the tray. Slice the chicken breast into thin slices. Pound with a meat mallet until it becomes tender. Mix salt in a bowl, black pepper, herbes de Provence, sweet paprika. Sprinkle each slice of chicken breast with the spice mixture. Put eggs into the blender cup. Add vegetable oil, salt, black pepper, mustard, garlic, apple cider vinegar. Blend the sauce until it becomes creamy. Brush the chicken fillet with the sauce. Chop the parsley finely. Finely chop a few garlic cloves. Put into a bowl. Add cheese grated on the small grater. Mix well. Place the mixture over the sauce. Roll the chicken fillet tightly with the filling. Arrange the rolls on the bed of potatoes. Brush the rolls with sauce and bake for 30 minutes. Sprinkle the rolls with grated cheese and bake for another 10 minutes. These chicken breast rolls are suitable both for a hearty family lunch and for special occasions, alongside other meat delicacies.